I'm sure you're definitely familiar with the term affirmations because everyone's nowadays is telling you to start repeating positive affirmations, start brainwashing yourself for this and that, and that's amazing. But there are also so many people who repeat affirmations and they don't get the results they want to get by using affirmations. So why is it like that, and how can you fix it? First and foremost, just to clarify things, what is an affirmation? Affirmation is a statement in the present tense indicated your desired outcome. So I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am well, I am abundant, I am successful, I attract miracles, I am a magnet for wonderful experiences. Like all of these phrases I've just said are considered positive affirmations. And of course, like you can create your own affirmations. You can basically mold your affirmations however you want. It doesn't matter. It's just your affirmations must feel comfortable to you and must feel natural to you. So if you used to repeat your affirmations using the future tense or the past tense, that this might be the reason why your affirmations are not working, because there's no such thing as past or future in the universe. The universe only perceives the present moment. Present moment is really the only real moment we ever experience. So that's why it's so important to state your affirmations in the present tense. Because if you use the future tense, that you basically tell the universe that somehow, some way in the future, you will be this and that. You will be successful, you will be abundant, you will be happy. And since the universe perceives it as your version of future in the present moment, you're not going to have it because it's always going to be future in comparison to the present moment you're experiencing right now. Same about the past. If you repeat your affirmations in past, if you say in the past tense that you used to be that, or you were this and you were that, and this happened and that happened, that the universe will compare this to your present moment, and the universe will be like, yeah, that happened in the past, but now we are experiencing the present moment, so obviously we're not experiencing it anymore. So this might be one of the main reasons why your affirmations are not working. Sometimes people don't understand that you have to use the present tense when it comes to affirmations, because otherwise your affirmation just won't have much power on your reality. I mean, they still can have a little bit of power. They still can, bring you some kind of results. But even if they bring you results, it's not going to be fast and not going to be tremendous results. So keep this in mind and state all of your affirmations in the present tense, because that indicates that you are experiencing your desired outcome right now. So important. Always state your affirmations in the present tense. The other reason why your affirmations might not be working is just you don't repeat them enough. I mean, your subconscious mind governs 95% of your reality, of your habitual thinking patterns and behavior, and 5% of all of your thinking patterns and your behaviors is actually conscious. So remember that when you repeat affirmations, you're actually just accessing the conscious mind, and through repetition, your affirmations have an ability to go through your conscious mind and actually enter your subconscious mind. But it requires a lot of repetition. So if you only repeat your affirmations for 5 minutes in the morning and then 5 minutes in the evening, then you won't be able to reprogram your mind fast. It's just not possible because you're using your 5% to outweigh the 95%. So it's not gonna be that easy. So start repeating your affirmations more often. You don't always have to repeat your affirmations out loud. Sure, repeating affirmations out loud is important because words are vibrations, words are energy, and speaking your reality into existence is super important, but you can also think your reality into existence. Thoughts are also super powerful. Thoughts literally create your reality. So it's time to start paying attention to your day-to-day thinking habits. Because if you repeat, I am abundant, I have a lot of money, I am this, I am that in the morning, and then throughout your day, you just, in your thoughts are like, I never have enough money, I'm not successful, I always struggle with money. If you constantly repeat these thoughts to yourself, that these thoughts are going to cancel your positive affirmations. So start repeating your affirmations in your head whenever you catch yourself thinking a lack mentality thought, because this will eventually help you to reprogram your subconscious mind faster. You can also record your affirmations and listen to them on repeat, and even listen to them while you sleep. So your affirmations will be able to very naturally enter your subconscious mind and eventually reprogram your subconscious mind. It usually takes between 21 to 60 days, or even in some cases, I would say 90 days to create a new program in your subconscious mind. So it's all about repetition. It's all about willingness. It's all about understanding that reprogramming your mind takes time. But the more you do this, the more you repeat this, the more you merge yourself with this new belief system you want to establish, the more you are able to influence your subconscious mind. And eventually you will be just thinking these different positive thoughts. It will just become your second nature. It will become natural to you. But in the beginning, it's so crucial and important to start actually catching yourself when you are thinking a negative thought and actually turning this thought into a positive affirmation. Another reason why your affirmations might not be working as you want them to is because you're not connecting them with emotions. Remember what I always tell you, emotion is energy in motion. We live in an energetic universe. Everything is energy. So in order to create something, you have to put your energy into this. So if you don't put your energy into your affirmations, and thus if you don't put your positive thoughts and positive emotions into your affirmations, that you are not creating this vibrational and energetic momentum that can actually give your affirmations more power. And yes, repeating without emotionally engaging still works, but it takes a hell lot of time. Whereas you can charge your affirmations with emotions and you can get much faster results through doing this. And do you always have to charge your affirmations with emotions? No, you can still repeat them, just like repeat them in your head, like on autopilot. So you are reprogramming the subconscious mind. But a couple of times a day, you can actually choose this conscious moment of really connecting with your affirmations and feeling your affirmations and feeling like you're already experiencing everything you affirm, because this is going super positively charge your affirmations and actually attract anything you're affirming faster to you. Because our emotion, our energy, and our energy creates our reality. So if you repeat to yourself, I am abundant, and you actually feel this abundance, like you really feel rich, you feel like the person has enough money, then yes, you are charging this affirmation energetically. If you affirm, I am successful, and you actually feel like a successful person, that you're almost like putting on this identity, you're putting on this energy, you're sending out this energy into the universe. And of course, it's going to work faster because you charge this affirmation with energy. So charging your affirmations with energy, feeling your affirmations is a very good way to boost the power of your affirmations. In the beginning, you will definitely not believe in your affirmations, especially when you are experiencing a certain kind of reality and your affirmations are not matching your current reality. Of course, you're not going to believe them in the beginning, and that's okay. You don't have to believe them in the beginning. The more you repeat them, the more you will start believing them, because the more you will be reprogramming your subconscious mind. And just let go of doubts and let go of just yeah, but it's not happening right now because there's no evidence of it yet. Just let go of this mentality and just affirm. Just picture in your mind that anytime you affirm, you're just commanding your reality. I love this. You're just commanding your reality. You're just telling the universe exactly what you want. Affirmations are commands for your reality. You want your reality to be this way, thus you're gonna think and speak your reality into existence. You're gonna feel this new reality, thus you're gonna charge this new reality emotionally. Just let go of those thoughts that pop up in your head in the beginning when you start working with affirmations and repeating affirmations, and there's this part of the mind who's telling you, okay, but it's not really happening right now. Of course it's happening. It's already happening on a quantum level. You're just not perceiving it yet in your physical reality, but that does not mean it's not happening. Of course it's happening. So just keep repeat this to yourself. Of course it's happening. Of course it's happening, because the more I affirm this, the more it's happening. Just, have this positive, encouraging attitude when it comes to your affirmations. Just don't judge your affirmations in the beginning, because it's likely you won't believe them in the beginning, but the more you repeat them, the more you will start believing in your affirmations. Also, you can write your affirmations down. It's another good technique, because you actually, by the physical act of writing something down, you're actually also telling the universe what you want to experience. So you can write them down. You can then read out loud what you've just written, and it's gonna also influence your subconscious mind in a very positive way. So it's just like a little bonus tip. If you want to write your affirmations down, then of course you can do this, but repeating them in your mind and repeating them out loud is very, very, very important. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you have the tools that will enable you to make your affirmations work every single time, because you can really speak your reality into existence. You can think your reality into existence. It takes a little bit of patience, it takes a little bit of willingness, but eventually you'll be able to establish this new program in your subconscious mind, a program that serves you, a belief system that serves you, and this belief system will give you a magnificent reality and will bring your manifestations into existence in your physical reality. So yes, start working with affirmations, start repeating affirmations, start brainwashing yourself for the type of reality you want to experience, because you are the creator of your reality. So you have to take charge of your thoughts and take charge of your habitual thinking patterns. And affirmations can really help you with that. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.